the ones that actually guide you and enrich your life, become your partners and your mentors and your sources of inspiration, and people that have instinctive techniques towards how to interact with you to reach your potential. And you guys know who you are, but Kevin and Steve in particular, beautiful, beautiful guides, and I love you, and this is for you. If the elephants have past lives, yet are destined to always remember, it's no wonder how they scream. Like you and I, they must have some temper. And I am dreaming of them on the plains, dirtying up their beds, watching for some sign of rain to cool their hot heads. And how dare that you send me that card when I'm doing all that I can do. You are forcing me to remember when all I want is to just forget you. And if the tiger shall protect her young, then tell me, how did you slip by? Oh, my instincts have failed me for once. I must have somehow slept the whole night. And I am dreaming of them with their kill, tearing it all apart, blood dripping from their lips and teeth sinking into heart. And how dare that you say you will call when you know I need some peace of mind. If you had to take sides with the animals, won't you do it with one who is kind? And if the hawks in the trees need the dead, if you're living you don't stand a chance. For a time though you share the same bed, there are only two ends to this dance. You can play with your wounds just in time, or lie there as he fades, watching yourself rip to shreds and laughing as you bleed. So for those of you falling in love, keep it kind, keep it good, keep it right. Throw yourself in the midst of danger, but keep one eye open at night. Thank you, New York!